everybody. You guys, I am so excited for this. This is the winter FabFitFun box, and you guys can subscribe too with my discount, but I am super excited for this box. Like, my husband picked an item in here and he is like so excited that he's like, can I open it now? Can I open it? I says, Graham, I have to do a video first. But he is like so excited for the one item in here. But yes, this is FabFitFun. This is the winter box, and I'm so excited to share with you guys the items that I chose. Now you guys get to choose the items in here. I think you get to choose up to, I think it's a $400 a value or $300 value, but you guys get to choose the items in here, and I am excited to try it. There are two options that you guys can do for this box. You can get an annual box, which there are 4 boxes a year, so you guys can get that. If you choose to do that, you actually get a free gift. You just want to make sure you guys use DesignerJen gift when you enter, and I will have the links below, all in the information below. So you guys just enter that code and you will get an additional free gift for subscribing for the 4-year annual the 4-box annual subscription. Or you guys can just sign up for a box, which is just a seasonal box, and you guys can get 20% off your first box by just using the code DesignerJen, and again, there'll be a code down below. So I am super excited to share with you guys what is in this box. I've been really loving the items that I get. One I use like every single day. If you guys watch my empties videos, you've been seeing that I've been using the products, and I give you guys my opinion on some of those. But let's just dig in and see what we have for the winter box. I know, I love this. I love this. It's like, it's a wreath that says FabFitFun. And then it says, people get nice things at nice prices. FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things. So, yes. So, la 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 la, FabFitFun is the happiest holiday. Okay, it's gonna be hard for hanging on to that box, but look what I got. Okay, so the first thing I see is a blanket. Oh my god, this blanket's got some heaviness. Now I was like, do I need another blanket? Yes. So this is called a unhide blanket. It was $69. $69, so this is by far the most expensive blanket that I will have. But it is, it's called Unhide for the Love of Not Fur. So it is like that fake fur, but it is so soft. This is kind of like a greenish. I really like it, but it is so soft. It's fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. It is 50 by 60 inches. I'm not going to open it because I have to take a couple photos, but I'm really excited for this blanket. I mean, just looking at it. Just looking at it. And this is a good, perfect reading blanket. I'm so excited to, like, just wrap it up and read in it. And it's so soft. So soft. So soft. So, yes. This blanket right here is $69. So, look at that, you guys. Right here. That could pay for the box alone. Just getting one item. So, yes. Okay. The next item we have is some nail polish. The nail polish was $32 for a set. We got a liquid glass top coat and then just a liquid glass liqueur. I think these are just kind of protect your nails. I have the worst nails, so I'm like, let's try some nail polish. Just some nail polish. So this is a pretty, like a mauve color. So I got that. I don't know if it says what color it is. Sweater Weather. We got Sweater Weather, which I thought this is really a pretty color. I really like this. I think this is the top coat that you put over it. But yeah, so I thought for $32, it's a little pricey, but I'm okay with trying it out. For the options that they have, I was really excited. So I just really love that color. Look at that color, you guys. That color is 100% me. So we got that. Here is a nice little item we got going on. I think this is the eye cream. I think this is nope, this is my husband's stuff. So, my husband saw this, and he's like, oh my god, this is Fly by Jing. It is a non-traditional but personal Szechuan chili crisp. I don't know, he like flew out of his office chair to come sit next to me so he could try this. Like, he seriously was so excited for this bottle of sauce that it's a crunchy savor hot sauce that you will find yourself putting on everything. He absolutely just went crazy. This is a $15 bottle of jar, or $15 jar of sauce, which he was super excited for. And then they also gave me a coupon for $5 off my next purchase from the website. So that's cool. That's cool. So we got that. He is like beyond ecstatic for that. Now here is a hat that I was super excited for. This is a beanie. This is $58. The brand is Hunter. Oh, it's super soft. I work at school, so I'm outside a lot, and I really wanted to try a nice little hat that seemed warm and comfortable, and this seems like a super nice hat. It is Hunter. I thought it was a different brand, but I guess it wasn't. But, oh, it's so comfortable. So comfortable. And then we got like, it's got like a rubber logo on here, but it's nice and lightweight. And that's one thing I like about hats. Like sometimes, like I like the hats that are heavy, but sometimes I just want a hat to just bum around with. But yeah, this, I'm wearing this to school tomorrow. I'm wearing this to school tomorrow. It might be 60 degrees or 80 degrees. I don't know what we get in Wisconsin. It's a different day every day. But I really love this. I really, really love this hat for $58. This is probably going to be a thing I'm going to be wearing a lot. So be prepared. Be prepared. And it's so soft. It is so soft. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yes, we got a beanie. I'm so excited for that. So excited for that. The next thing I got is this eye cream. Now, I am over 40 years old, so I'm getting like the crow's feet or whatever. My face is always looking a little tired. It's puffy. I thought, I'm going to try this. This is Perricone MD Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream. You want to know the price for this? $125. $125 for this eye cream. And I'm like, if it's that expensive, it must hopefully be good. It must hopefully be good. So we're going to try it out. It says, a smooth balm-like eye cream that melts into your skin in nourishing conditions, softening appearance of dark circles, lines, and wrinkles, delivers optical nourishment to replenish skin, leaving the skin around the eyes smoother, brighter, and firmer. So gently pat into the area using your ring finger, morning and night. So we will see how it goes. We will see. I've been trying to find a good eye cream. I've been really trying to find a good eye cream, but here it is. So I thought it's expensive, but you know what? We're gonna buy it here with our book. But it has no scent to it. There's like a slight scent to it, which is sometimes good. You don't want to have stuff that has scents to it, because then sometimes like there's other stuff added to it. But I'm pretty excited to try this. So make sure you guys watch my empties videos probably for February. And we will see how well this eye cream is, because I am pretty excited to try it. And yes, it's $125, and let's make sure it is worth $125. So we got that. And the next stuff I got was a juice balm. So I ended up getting some lip balm. These were $32 for both of them. It is Tower 28. It is Shea Butter. And then this one is also Shea Butter. So we got two different colors. This one's called Mix. So we got one called Mix and one called Shake. So this one's Mix. And it's just like that. It's like a little bit of brown. Okay. I think I got the bottom of my nose. So that's a cute little lip balm. I'm always looking for balms. I'm always looking for lip balm stuff that I can like. And I've been really liking tinting my lips lately. And then this one is called Shake. This one might be a little bit better with color. Oh, this one matches my nail polish. It's like very close, but that's really smooth. No scent to it, which is sometimes, again, a good thing. Like I always say, like they always say if there's scent to it, it's good for you, because like it's just added stuff. But that really made my lips really smooth. Really smooth. I really like this. I will have to take it with me and take it to school and all that fun stuff. So I got these. These were both $32 for both of them. So that was everything that I got in my box. I had a hard time trying to decide what I want. They do have a lot of things and stuff, and then they have some products that you guys can use. So you guys can choose a bunch of different things. Like, I know they had a couple like makeup stuff, which was nice, and I'm like, I don't need that. But when I saw this hat, I'm like, I have to get it. I have to get the hat. Like, the hat was like the first thing. I'm just like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. And I just love it. I love it because it's so lightweight, but it's also gonna like block the wind. Because sometimes I just like wearing a hat just to block the wind for my hair getting all over the place. But oh my god, I'm so in love with this hat. I'm so in love with this hat. So loving this hat. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just that obsessed. Yes. But, and then the next thing I'm gonna be really excited for is this eye cream. Make me look younger. Come on, let's see if it can make me under 40. Let's do it. Let's do it. My husband is, by the time I end this video, he's gonna come grab this. I guarantee it. He's gonna come grab this. He's already, I can hear him coming down the steps. And then this blanket is so soft. So soft. So definitely go ahead and check out this box. I say if you guys want something for Christmas, like, I don't get anything really for Christmas from my husband. My in-laws get me something, my mom gets me something, my friends get me something, but a lot of it's like stuff I know. And yes, this is stuff that you know, but get something to pamper yourself in. Like, I'm super excited to just lay down, read a book with my hat on, have my eye patches on, got my lipstick, probably do my nails, and yeah, just get a box. Get a box and just pamper yourself. You guys can always, you know, cancel it. I always love trying a subscription just to try it out. It's so awesome, but I'm so excited for this blanket. It's so soft. So soft. It feels like it's like thin enough where it's not like super heavy. Oh, I love it. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just gonna feel this blanket. But make sure you guys subscribe. I will have all the links below that you guys can subscribe to your own FabFitFun box. But I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. And definitely check out my other videos to see what you guys can get too. But definitely try it out. And if you guys do try it, let me know by commenting down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.